For 15 years, V12 Vantage has boldly represented Aston Martin's passion for performance. Now, this iconic bloodline gives rise to the fastest, fiercest of them all. I present to you our new V12 Vantage. Strictly limited to 333 units. This is the last of the breed. The final time we'll put our biggest engine into our most agile sports car. A 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12 producing 700 PS and 753 Nm of torque makes this the most powerful Vantage ever. And the fastest too. A blistering top speed of 200 miles per hour with 0 to 60 dispatched in just 3.4 seconds. But this is more than just power, speed, and an incredible sound. We've radically engineered V12 Vantage to make this an extremely potent driver's car, as is the way with every Aston Martin. We've made substantial dynamic improvements, 40mm wider track, stiffer suspension, new adaptive damping, new bracing structure, impressive weight saving, lightweight battery, extensive use of carbon ceramic brakes, and the special thinner exhaust material. Lots of aero enhancements, full width front splitter, integrated diffuser, new rear wing combining to create 204 kg of downforce at 200 miles per hour. So, V12 Vantage, our spectacular finale for an iconic bloodline. This is not the product of shyness, but one of intensity. It's a car for those who stand up and announce themselves. A car for drivers who seek intoxicating performance. We've always believed in going out in style, but never quietly.